Okay, hi everyone. I'm currently driving to tour some apartments, so I thought I would take you all with me for my first YouTube video back on my channel in like probably 6 years. Yeah, I feel like I have a new chapter of my life that is currently unfolding, so I just want to document that process. I definitely get very inspired by people sharing this type of content online, so hopefully I can do that for someone else. Basically, like, what I'm looking for is I want like it to feel like open, so you know, I'm kind of looking at what I can get like the best square feet for like the rent I'm paying. Lighting is really important to me too. I need good lighting, you know, something modern, something that looks more new. We'll kind of see. I'm gonna do my best to get footage of each apartment, filming on my iPhone, because I feel like they probably won't want me to have a camera in there. I don't know, so oh girl. Yeah, I'm just like not the best driver. Like, I'm sure you guys will like start to learn this, but okay, got my drink, guys. So we'll be focusing on 6 categories for the apartments today. That will be rent price, square feet, lighting, location, bathroom, and amenities. So obviously rent price, square feet, that's pretty like obvious. Like, we want to pay attention to that, where we can hopefully get like the most square feet for the money. Lighting, as I explained, is very important. Just something that feels really bright and, you know, doesn't feel too like dark or too many shadows in the apartment. And then location, I do love going on walks and just being in an area where I can walk around, just, you know, has a nice location that feels like very safe and very, just like the vibes are good, you know? And then bathroom, I do just love like a very clean bathroom. I like a big bathtub. I do love taking baths, so I'm like, I definitely need that. Like, I need a good bathtub. So I do use a lot of like beauty products, and you know, I like to have a good setup in the bathroom. Amenities used to be more important to me, but is not super important to me, but you know, it can still definitely like get me to move in somewhere. If they got like a cute pool or like really nice kind of lobby or like other rooms to be in. So yeah, I'm super excited to take you guys with me. Okay, the first apartment was a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and it was honestly so beautiful inside. Like, tall ceilings, nice lighting. The lighting was really great, and I thought it was a really nice size in the apartment. I just feel like for the price, it was a little bit too high for the amount of square feet, but my favorite part was definitely the kitchen. I loved all of the wood and the tile. The bathroom was amazing too. It had really great lighting. I love this ring light feature on the mirror. However, there was no bathtub, which is honestly kind of a deal breaker for me, as beautiful as the shower was. There was really nice amenities. The lobby was super beautiful. They had a really nice gym and just really great hangout areas, and it was located right by the river in the Twin Cities. But yeah, I think just with the bathroom and the rent price was just not the one for me. Okay, this next apartment had a really nice, bright, beautiful kitchen. I love the lighting. I just felt like the lighting in the rest of the apartment was pretty dark, and just the overall vibe I was not really loving of like the layout. I had a smaller gym and a nice pool at this apartment for amenities, but not too many common areas, and the bathroom just didn't have enough counter space for me. And yeah, I don't know, just the overall vibe of this one I wasn't loving, especially for the price. The location was beautiful with the city skyline, but again, this was not the one for me. Okay, apartment number 3 was an alcove style 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. And guys, I wanted to live here so bad just based on the kitchen. Like, I thought the tile was so cute, and just the whole kitchen itself I really loved, but it just was not enough space, and I just couldn't justify for the price. It had great lighting. It didn't have any amenities. It only had like a very, very tiny gym, and the bathroom was nice. Like, I did like it, but yeah, just not enough space. I knew if I moved in, I would feel very crammed, but I did love the style of kitchen. It was located in a very beautiful neighborhood of Minneapolis by one of the big lakes, but yes, just couldn't justify the price for the size. Apartment number 4 was another alcove 1-bathroom style. This one had really great lighting. They had really nice amenities in the apartment. They had a nice gym, pool, clubhouse areas. This one had a nice price. It was located in the suburbs of Minneapolis, but just not enough space for what I was looking for. So I love the lighting and the layout of this one, but just wasn't going to be the right fit. Okay, so apartment number 5 is the apartment I ended up picking. I just knew I needed to live here when I walked inside. It was so bright and there was so much space in this apartment. It even has a little like den area that I could turn to an office. I feel like I just have so many ideas for the space and I'm feeling very inspired. So I'm so excited to show you guys the process of me moving in, how I decide to use the space, and I'll definitely be documenting that whole process later this month when I move in. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on that video, and I can't wait to show you guys. Thanks for watching.